advice asabara iba minto ba Kenya kwanza igento nko basaba
mwana
abachore igento ndasaba ngiringa ki umete siasa ene bwate ebinte binge umuntu nare labuda utaita ko bomo gavana the near future umuntu nare utagite ko bomo senator because ikiroge keiga ebiroge bitobugate ne byabana inji and anybody is allowed to declare interest igento ndabasaba ngiringa abana ba minto abatore ime ya Kenya kwanza onye kubugate interest yende in the future you don't need to come through a violent way. You don't need to koimuki gusinama go koigoro so whatever. Kindly aye kore bintu biago na maskani ga ngora nyasaye no mwananchi oyo iga na agochore na akobura ayo. Some of those things happen. But I will tell you, my brother, the truth. Sometimes we politicians chisege chiga chikoro kana chirega iska majority of them are imaginary. They are created usieko mwananchi kumukipa away kurukubugati development agenda. They are created abantu banya gutayabunya gutamberanga ki insimbo gerete ndali gukora imirimo osoro na yaro kunya kondwani osoro na yaro kunya kominyoki na yaro tatageti inkoreki na yaro tatageti inkore imirimo nyagito kunya kondama aitata imirimo for instance inkobori osoro ngo ikanazale cabinet ye county government ya Kisii. He doesn't the cabinet is the one that decides implementation plan. Ndo ino mwana minto. Oyo onde Simbarati ngui kanazali CDF committee. He doesn't sit there. So this is my argument. I'm very happy because unabono for instance ekero mugama na Simbarati aso emeremo igata betengo sikire mianya yonspi ya corruption. Kero gusie ko boy then let's see development. Because should be put into proper use so that we see now development happening. You know, these are political leaders. It's okay, you fight. But we have an executive that is working. We have very many government officials but instructions do this and this and this. This is my agenda. The first thing you do is to ensure that understand the manifesto. Understand anything you said in the first year, 2 years, you'll do this and that. Those are the people who should be implementing. There should never be an excuse why development is not taking place in our county.